Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Dikshit and today I will show you a task given by Brain. In this task I have made cart and checkout system in which user can see the items and can add items into cart, also view product in big screen or can filter items according to its desire, or if we want to see cart items we can go to cart icons. So here we can see cart items. Here we can increment the quantity of item or decrement it by our choice, and we can, if he want to check out the cart items, he can click checkout button. It will ask you username and the email. After that, simply click on checkout button. It will go to the Stripe dashboard. So here you can see we are redirecting to the checkout Stripe page. Here and here you can see the price of product and the products added into cart. Here he has to write email of it and the card number he has. So I have already added the my card, which is a fake credit card. So we can simply click on pay. So it will, after, if the transaction is successful, we will redirect to the success page, or if the transaction is failed, we will go to failed page. So you can see our transaction is successful, so we can see the success status. And if you want to see the transaction is successful or not, we can go to Stripe dashboard. Here you can see our transaction detail. So so we have made the transaction on 559. So the payment of 4600 4600, and you can see the credit card details and the status of payment and the transaction ID, email ID, and also we I have stored the data into our database. So ID, status, and all the details required. We have added 3 objects with different quantities, and you can see the quantity also. So this is our front end. Now I will show you how I have made this. So uh, firstly have created a checkout page. Here user can see items using, I have mapped the data using fetch the data using this API. Sorry, I have made Redux global state management. By using that, I have cached the data using use selector into cart, and I have mapped the cart. Uh, Sorry, this is checkout page. So here user will ask only email and password. The cart page is there. So here is the all detail cart items detail. When user click checkout button, it will simply redirect to the checkout page, and here you can see a form which asks for email and password, or sorry, email for and name. And after that, when user click checkout button, it will simply go to the API given here, orders/checkout. So the checkout API is there. So when the user post data to checkout, so simply we will uh, make cart amount, name, email from request body, and map cart items into store in item 1. So items is used in the session, Stripe session, and after the it will simply go to Stripe dashboard. After the status is successful, we will go to success URL. If the transaction is failed, we will go to failed URL. And after that, I have stored the data into our database using transaction ID and the status of transaction. And here is our product. Thank you for listening and seeing my task. Thank you.